this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Palworld in GameHub. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing Palworld through the GameHub is extremely simple, as long as you have all of the files related to the Palworld game, you will be able to play. Sadly, for this video, I cannot show you how to acquire them. You will have to purchase the game and extract them on your own, or find them through alternative means, okay? I'm not going to cover it in this video because it is against YouTube's terms of service. But regardless, once you are inside of GameHub, create an account, so sign in using your email, Google account, or Apple, it doesn't matter, just choose one of the options to sign in, and finally, once you are on this menu, you will be able to add games, including Palworld, GTA 5, and so on, anything you have. So open the menu, and at the left side of the screen, go to Download. Inside of the Download tab, you can tap on this icon in the middle and add new PC games. So tap this plus sign, and in here, load up the Palworld files. Again, I cannot showcase how you can acquire these files. What I recommend is that you download the game after you have purchased it on your PC and then you extract it into your device. By doing this, you will access the game settings, and then in the compatibility tab, I recommend copying these settings here. These ones are the most important: DXVK, VK3D, and CPU translator. So copy these: 1.10.3, 2.12, and then 64 0.28. If you see more recent versions, it's also okay to use them. With all of this done, all that you have to do is launch the game through GameHub. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.